What's the meaning of Canada? Canada. Canada.
Canada. Canada. Canada is a North American country known for its vast wilderness, multiculturalism, and strong economy. The name Canada is derived from the word Canada, which means village or settlement in the Iroquoian language. Canada is the second largest country in the world by landmass, spanning from the Atlantic to the Pacific Ocean and northward into the Arctic. The country is home to breathtaking natural wonders, such as the Rocky Mountains, Niagara Falls, and the Northern Lights. Its diverse population comprises indigenous peoples, French and English settlers, and immigrants from around the globe.